Yeah, I've just stumbled across this custom Harley Davidson workshop, and I'm pretty sure I've seen these Harleys at Budapest this year. What was it like? Yeah, this year. So the reason I think that is because there's a big rat fink over there, which we'll see in a minute. But I have just had a wander. I haven't spoken to anyone here yet, but this is a showroom of custom motorcycles. So they have been at the Northern Bike Fest. Um, I know there are a lot of motorcycle festivals here in Thailand. Like I have been to a few over my travels here, but there was a couple I missed recently. But so that was 20 to 21 of, looks like May. But they've got some really nice motorcycles here. Harley Davidson. We'll go over there and have a look in a minute. But Golden Sun Cycles. Yeah, so this would be their showroom. Yeah, I'll get back to the eye candy, but there's a nice frame over here we'll get a shot of as well. And there is a couple of other bikes as well that are very interesting. And that's me in the reflection there, guys. As I was saying, I was just walking out to one of the temples here in Chiang Rai, and I usually come across stuff like this. So certainly if you do see me doing a live stream and you are interested in Thailand, do pop in. Yeah, some really nice bikes. Hopefully the glare isn't too bad. It is just being filmed on the phone. But here's this sidecar. I'll try and get a couple of angles of this. And I'm pretty certain I have seen these bikes at Budapest. So I might have a chat to the fellas. I might chuck it on pause because one of the blokes is... Yeah, I was just chatting to one of the guys. I think he's the co-owner. And no, these bikes weren't at Budapest. Like, they've never been down there. So I'm going to have a chat to them again. Like, I was just having a chat for 5 minutes. Yeah, because with the rat fink, this is actually from an artist, and I'm pretty sure it's California. And a lot of the motorcycle clubs do use this statue. I know in Australia or America. But yeah, these bikes are really beautiful, and obviously a cat has been on there at some point. But very, very beautiful bikes, and I don't really want to get too close because I cannot afford to pay for any scratches. So here's a Bonneville. Now, like, the Bonnevilles are really nice bikes. They are an English company, the Triumph, but I do believe they do make them in India now, like the newer models. But this is a very nice... I do like the Americana Bonneville because it does have a larger rear tyre. But this is a nice cafe racer style seat on that. But pretty much all Harleys in here except for that Bonneville there. So, but this is a very nice bike. I could see myself sitting on that and my partner there, and hopefully that some children can fit in there, but who knows. But that's just a dream. That bike I talked about, but I'm just going to have a quick wander around and see if we can get a couple of other pictures. But yeah, they do a lot of custom artwork here as well. So Golden Sun Cycle, you know, they probably have a Facebook or something, so check them out, because I was on the way to the temple and I saw these bikes and I thought I've got to have a look. Yeah, it's called the Gallery Services Welcome, and I did show the logo, so I'll pop it on pause and I'll just have a look around. They seem really nice guys out here, so check them out. Yeah, they've got some custom tanks in the other room as well, but we'll probably just leave it here. I've just been having a chat with the guys and they're really cool. This is their workshop, so certainly if you do have a Harley Davidson or those type of bikes, come here and check them out. I'll just get a shot of the front of the building and just show you the street location, because I think that's pretty important if they don't have a Facebook page. So and it is pretty hard sometimes to put locations in, and that's me in the reflection. So if you have enjoyed this, certainly hit the likes. I've got some other footage from when I was out in Paddy a long time ago with AAS or ASS, I keep forgetting. But yeah, certainly hit the likes, guys.